Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in industrial equipment. Today, we're excited to showcase the Vestil CART-1000-D-FR Steel Premium Double Scissor Lift Cart, which we consider the best lift cart with a 1,000-pound capacity. Whether you're working in a warehouse, a factory, or handling large equipment in your garage, this cart is designed to make your lifting and transporting tasks more efficient and safer. The first thing that stands out about this product is its heavy-duty steel construction, built to withstand even the most demanding environments. It's not just tough, it's also ergonomically designed to reduce strain on the user. The foot-activated hydraulic pump is an absolute game-changer when it comes to ease of use. No need to waste time or energy with manual lifting. With just a push of your foot, the deck rises to your desired height, making it easier to load, unload, and transport your materials. What really makes the Vestil CART-1000-D-FR stand out is its advanced hydraulic system, which comes with overload protection to ensure you're never overloading the cart beyond its weight limit. It even has safety stops to prevent the deck from lowering while you're working on it, which means you can perform maintenance with confidence and without the worry of the platform dropping unexpectedly. For maneuverability, the Vestil cart features 2 rigid front casters and 2 rear swivel polyurethane casters with brakes. These high-quality casters allow the cart to glide easily, even when fully loaded. Whether you're moving it around a tight corner or across a large workspace, this cart can handle it all. The wheels are protected by guards to ensure durability, and the brakes are there to keep the cart stationary when needed. A unique feature of this scissor lift cart is its tilt-up tabletop, which allows for easy maintenance. This makes it even more versatile as it helps you take care of the cart when it's not in use. The internal safety velocity fuse in each cylinder ensures that the platform lowers at a controlled rate, providing extra safety for both the user and the equipment. Designed for long-lasting use, the Vestil CART-1000-D-FR doesn't just excel in lifting and transporting, it also improves workplace ergonomics. By reducing the amount of bending and lifting you need to do, it decreases the risk of injury while making your tasks much more efficient. Whether you're lifting heavy materials, picking orders, or moving large tools, the Vestil Premium Double Scissor Lift Cart offers the power and versatility you need to get the job done right. If you're looking for a cart that can take a heavy load, provide ease of use, and offer safety features you can rely on, this is it. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews.